Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Gesto. And for today's brand review and experience by Magikland Amusement Park. And for this episode, this is sponsored brand review and disclaimer ng mga Nose, this is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo po skip. Malaking tulong na yan sa aking channel. Magikland, first Filipino-inspired theme park in the Philippines. Here are some important guidelines and safety protocols. Pay first at the ticketing booth before entering. You'll be assisted by one of their staffs for this green paper bracelet. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by one of their popular characters and Bakanawa mascot. Don't forget to visit their Souvenir Shop for that magical experience. For your food cravings, visit their cafeteria for food on the go or dine in. Satisfy your hunger for Magikland's delish foods and drinks. Enjoy exploring for this magical place. Be mesmerized with your loved ones, family, barkada, and kids. Are you feeling lucky today? So try this strategy games to win exciting prizes. Flex your skills and ace those amazing rewards up for grabs. Happy swing! Swing your way for joy. Carousel. Relive those sweet childhood memories with this chilled ride. Magic Bike. Navigate your way to up or down. Crazy Surf. Ride the tide for this ride. Smashers. Bumper Car. It's more fun if you bump your way to your goal. Crazy Trail. Go nuts and be wild for this amazing thrilling ride. Family Swinger. A family that swings together stays together. And also don't miss live performances and spectacular show for your amazing icons for Magikland. Sky Tower. Face your fear of heights and conquer the skies. Ferris Wheel. Let's aim high and get a better view of the City of Smiles, Bacolod. Disc O. Challenge yourself and your friends with this energizing ride.
Thank you, Magikland!
A for rating models, based on the experience and overall review with the Ilonggo vloggers, will give it a perfect 10. Magikland Amusement Park, sobrang na-enjoy kami, most especially sa mga first-timers like me, and also for its fantasy feel, it comes to their place, designs, and overall view. So magpasalamat ako sa lahat po ng mga staff for Magikland Amusement Park for our safety, their excellent hospitality, and magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Ilonggo Kuya, Angel Kim Acosta, Francis Garcia Official, Pedalanga, and B-Boy Natix. Thank you so much for assisting me and joining me for this wonderful and memorable experience. Once again, congratulations and thank you. Stay safe, manos. See you in the next brands, taste test reviews, do-it-yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!